Meet Terence. He works a normal job and earns an average income. He recently found interest in the Forex market and wants to start trading. He did his research online and came across BlackStone Futures. BlackStone Futures offers the following: up to 1 to 400 account leverage, negative balance protection, 0.6 spread on the euro dollar, up to 50% welcome deposit bonus, no fees on transactions, no commissions, weekly masterclass events. Start trading today with as little as 1,000 rands. These offerings make for a happy trader. Bank your profits, quick and easy. Start your trading journey today. Visit your trusted local broker at www.blackstonefutures.co.za.